exactly what's going on yet. Argument over an iPad or something.
What was that ICR number again?
543. Sorry.
What in the is this semi doing? Smoked a bunch of signs. 144 minutes.
That's 144.
I got the semi stop at County. Take your time getting out. I'm not in a hurry, okay? Don't have to hurry yourself. Is it your truck there? Company truck? Stand up.
That's really good window on.
And I've got a 53-foot Walmart. Okay, can you get up on your feet here? Take your time. Try and stand yourself up. Are you fully loaded?
No.
No. Is it an empty trailer?
Yeah.
Let's have you walk back towards my squad car, okay? You gonna be able to do that? Lean against that. Hold on to my arm if you need to, okay?
I'm going to be Skinny Valley, southbound then.
Okay. And I'm not in a hurry. What's your first name?
John.
John? Okay. Let's walk. Let's keep walking down.
I guess
this way, okay?
869. Yeah, that way on.
Health issues.
Yeah? What are your health issues?
High blood pressure.
Okay? How much did you have to drink today, John? Yeah, you think it's safe to be driving right now?
No.
No? Okay. You feel the effects of the alcohol you drank?
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Okay, do you have alcohol in the vehicle?
No.
No? Okay. Where were you last drinking at? Think you can sit right on the front of my squad car bumper here? You think you can do that? Take your time. Take your time. Not in a hurry. There you go. Okay. All right, you good there? You following that finger. You're doing just fine. Try not to move that head though, okay? Keep that head straight forward. Just use your eyes to follow that finger out to the side. There you go. Full pound inside the cab. You follow the Burton Circle Filtered Vodka. This one's back over.